So we cannot read about the background because that is where you're supposed to go through the background. So we are supposed to start with the Abraham Acts of Faith. We are on page 33. So the first one is Acts of Faith. Not even the Acts of Faith. These are the what? How he demonstrated his faith to God. Yes, that's the Acts of Faith. So you don't start in Genesis. You just start that we learn that Abraham moved from. No, we don't read that. Just leave it. We go to the promises. Can you read the promises? We are in page 35. Page 35. You're there? Can we read God's promises to Abraham? Oh, sorry, we are 36. Can we start with give him?
Make Abraham's name famous. Establish an everlasting covenant with Abraham and his descendants. Be a shield to Abraham. That is, he would protect him. Give to Abraham and his wife Sarah a son of their own. Make Abraham's descendants a great nation. Make his descendants be enslaved for 400 years in a foreign land. Punish the nation that enslaves Abraham's descendants. Make some of his descendants kings. Bless him. Bless those that bless him. Curse those that curse him. Make all the families of the earth receive blessings through Abraham. Let Abraham live for long and die in peace.
Can we go to the characteristics of a covenant? We read everything there in page 37. There must be
participants.
No, we just read the first sentence. It's okay. There must be
Participants. A sign which is a visible proof to show that the parties have entered into an agreement. A witness to the covenant. Promises that each party makes to the other. A ceremony or some ritual to celebrate the covenant. Consequences to any party that breaks their side of the covenant. It should have a seal. It should be permanent. It should not be broken.
So we go to the examples of covenants down there. Examples of the covenants or the well-known covenants in the Bible.
The covenant with Noah in which God entered into a covenant with the whole world and promised to preserve the life of people. The covenant with Abraham in which God promised to fulfill the promises he made to him. The covenant with the people of Israel at Mount Sinai in which God promised to be their God. The covenant with King David in which God promised him that his legacy will continue forever. Jeremiah's covenant in which God promises to make a new covenant with the Israelites where each individual will come to know God personally.
So we go to physical manifestations of God. Page 39 down there. They are called the theophany. So physical manifestations of God, the burning bush.
The burning bush is in the form of Moses. The pillar of fire and the pillar of cloud is recorded in the sacred texts. Thunder, lightning, smoking mountain, the mighty wind, earthquake, and still small voice of calmness in the story of Elijah.
So we go to page 45, the similarities between the Jewish and traditional African circumcision. We have talked about the difference, but let us talk about the similarities. Page 45.
Circumcision is perceived as giving members a sense of belonging. In both communities, circumcision brings unity between members of the community. In both communities, circumcision is observed as a religious function. In both communities, the practice is passed on from one generation to another.
Okay, thank you. So you're supposed to move to, because the difference is there, you have to do what? You have to explain them on your own. You have to go back to this book and tackle, make sure that you check everything and you understand. You make your own short notes on your own time. So you see, you can be able to tackle areas even through